Hi y'all, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick little breakfast or a late afternoon snack. We're going to make mandarin. Hi y'all, welcome back. Today we're going to make my own special little twist on a... Hi y'all, welcome back. Today we're making up a quick breakfast or a late afternoon snack. I like to make... Let's go over our ingredients. I have 1 block of cream cheese that I've left to sit out to soften for a little bit. I have about 1/4 cup of sugar, just a little under. Let's go over our ingredients. I have 1 block of cream cheese that I've left sit. There you have it, guys.